Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning A. How to write A? Draw a semicircle and connected to that another semicircle. Then draw a sleeping line from the center like this and draw a standing line touching the sleeping line. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now we have learned A. Now let us learn some words which begins with the letter A. Anar, pomegranate. Achkan, long coat. Adrak, ginger. Ananas, pineapple. Almari, cupboard. So, we have learned anar, pomegranate, achkan, long coat, adrak, ginger, ananas, pineapple, and almari, cupboard. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel.